Hello there, welcome back to Beauty Bees. I'm Iris. Let's keep the introduction to a minimum today because I have a box to unbox. This is the Copacetic Cosmetics Cutie box. Now I have received the Copacetic Cosmetic Cutie box a couple of times in the past. I believe I unboxed the December, July, and maybe May boxes on my channel last year. However, this is the first box for me of the new year, and it is the first proper box that I've ever received. The price went up starting in January from $12 to $15 a month. The packaging has changed from a bubble mailer to a cardboard box, and now you receive a small site credit with every purchase, which I don't know the details of that, how long it's valid for, or anything along those lines, but let's see what all I have. So I do have a list of what I received, and then on the back it has a code for me to use on items in this collection. I hope that it extends to more items than what is in this collection, but we'll see. And then there's so many worms. So I'm going to just try to dig out the items so I don't have to deal with the worms. The first item I see is the nail polish. It's looking very Christmassy in the bottle, but this is Give Me a Diplodocus. The theme of this box is Rar means I love you, and I decided that I had to get it for that because it's dinosaur Valentine's Day themed. I just thought that was too cute. So this is in a very slightly tinted red base, it looks like, which is kind of disappointing. There are silver micro glitters, green circle or hex glitters, it's hard for me to tell, and red metallic heart glitters. So that'll be fun. Next up, I really liked the old packaging more. Can they change it back? These worms are really annoying. Okay. I see some kind of powder. This is Dynamite loose highlighter. That's fun. I've gotten something in this packaging before, but it was a loose glitter that I still have not used. Not even once. And I've had it for like 6 months. So on the cap, I think you can see there's a little bit of a green cast to it. Very interesting. Oh my goodness, that is quite the highlighter. It is unlike anything that I own, which is a definite plus, but it's also kind of green. And there is actual glitter in here. There are little red and yellow shimmer particles, it looks like. I'm intrigued. This is about as much of a loose highlighter, especially in this like green color, as I would want. So I think it'll be fun to play around with. I'm interested to give it a try on my face, but I'm sure glad that I did not get a full size of it. Though in the past I have gotten a full size highlighter in this box, so I feel like if they're going to increase the price, the value should increase as well, but they didn't ask me. Okay, I see the other two items, so let's just dig those out and try not to get the worms all over the floor. There was spillage. Yeah, please change the packaging back. This is no fun. I like the box, it's very cute, but I don't like the cleanup. Okay, the lip product that I selected is a liquid lipstick in Rowdy Rex. I believe that they described this as a very red toned pink, and I'm interested to give this a go. Let's give her a swatch. Oh, that's pretty. I think it's showing up a little bit more pink on camera than it is in person. In person, it is really towing the line between being a pink and being a red. I think that'll be really pretty. I think it'll be really stunning. I kind of wish that I got this before Valentine's Day. I kind of wish that they'd put this out as their January box so that I could have had the nail polish with the red hearts for Valentine's Day and had this liquid lipstick for Valentine's Day as well. But oh well. And then finally we have I Choose You, which is the eyeshadow. Choose like I munch on you. Very, very cute theming with this collection. And it is a pink. And if I remember correctly, this kind of has a, yeah, I think you can see there's sort of a holographic or shifty component to it where, like, at this angle I am seeing kind of a greenish gold with some copper, and then on camera I am seeing straight pink. So that'll be fun. These are hand poured, and this is just kind of lumpy looking. I'm not super impressed with the presentation on this box, but oh well. The eyeshadow itself looks to be quite pretty. Yeah, I think with some glitter glue that could be really, really fun. There's definitely a lot of glitter to it, but that's what glitter glue is for, right? Okay, so with this box, I don't think it was worth the price increase. I mean, I like the items that I received. I wish that this had been something a little bit bigger. For $15, it doesn't seem like the value of the box really increased at all. I mean, the price went up 25%. I don't love the addition of the coupon because shipping on their site is really expensive. It's like an $8 shipping cost. If instead they'd maybe given you the option of, you know, purchase what you want during the month and pay full price, but then it will be shipped along with your box for free. I think that'd be cool, but I don't really see myself using the coupon, especially if it is indeed only for use on this collection and I can't apply it to other items on the site, because the reason that I chose these three items that I got to choose was because these were the ones that I wanted. I don't really want the other items in the collection. So yeah, a little bit of a bummer on that. I might get this box again in the future. I might not. I have already skipped the month of March because the theme and the products didn't really excite me. But yeah. If you showed me this and asked if I wanted my $15 back and to give the product back, or if I wanted to keep the product, I think I'd take my $15. If you have received the Copacetic Cosmetics box, the Claw box, the Cuties box, or I don't remember what the third option that they have is, I would be really interested in hearing your thoughts if you think the boxes are worth it, and if you've had any luck using the coupon on site for a variety of different products, because I would be really interested to hear that. Anyway, thanks again. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you all next time. Bye, guys.